Hello again, this is Christine, the neuropsychologist in the Long COVID service. As today's session is looking at memory again, I thought it would be helpful to present a recap on some of the information that we learnt last week regarding memory. So let's have a look. We talked about, firstly, how memory is the process of taking in information from the world around us, processing that information, storing it, and then later recalling that information. We can keep this information stored for a very long time, sometimes recalling it many years later. We also spoke about how memory has 3 different stages: encoding, storage, and retrieval. We learnt how long-term memory is organised according to the type of information, and that there are 2 main types: explicit or conscious recall, which is information about past events and knowledge about the world, and implicit or unconscious recall, which is information about how we do things, such as riding a bike. In the session, you would have also discussed how forgetting is a normal part of our memory processes. However, we know that any difficulties with memory can be improved by using memory strategies. We tend to group these strategies into 2 different kinds: internal and external strategies. And using these strategies doesn't have to just be when there are difficulties. These strategies can benefit all of us. Internal strategies are the strategies that we use in our mind to help us facilitate our recall and will be the focus of the session today. And external strategies are the physical things that you use to help you remember, such as diaries, alarms and calendars, and were more of a focus on the session last week.